Hi, this video is for Yardmax lawnmower model number YG1650. It has 170cc gasoline engine and cutting width 21 inches. Let's jump in and see what is included in box. In a bag we have a manual which include funnel, tool for spark plug assembly and hardware kit which is included nut and bolts. This is a grass catcher which is quite big, and beside this we have a 4 wheels. Two are small and other two are the big wheels. This is upper handle. Careful when taken out of the box because it is connected with the machine. And then there are two lower connecting handlebars. There are two handle brackets which will help to connect lower connecting handlebars, and then we have a side discharge. Now the only thing which is left in the box is machine. Take it out and let's start assembly. I won't connect three things: shield trailing, grass catcher and side discharge. You can refer to the manual if you need to connect those as well. First thing which need to be connect, its handle bracket, which are right and left. If you try to put the wrong bracket, it won't work as I'm showing. Only correct handle bracket will align and you will able to see holes to bolt it in. Hardware we need for the handle bracket is number 1. I am using 13mm socket and a wrench to tighten them in. Now do the same with the right bracket on the other side. Both handle brackets are in. Now connect the handlebars. For this I'm going to use the kit number 3. Handlebar has 3 positions. Knob go right in to adjust height, but for assembly it does not matter in which hole you place the knob. Later on we can change position. Now let's connect handle with machine. Now there is trick to connect handle. This part will go right this place with the handle, and then we will put the bolt in this way. So what you need to do is first connect this with the machine, put the bolt in, and on the other side tighten it up with the nut. Now I am using Allen keys and 13mm socket to tighten up nut and bolt. Once you're done from this side, do the same on the other side as well. Let me show you how to adjust handlebar height as well. Pull out black knob. Now you have 3 positions. Place the knob back in for the best adjustment you need for the height. Now I will connect the main handlebar. So we need the number 4 from the hardware kit. So take out that and start to assemble the handle now. It is very simple. You have a big knob and a longer screw. So screw will go from inside and knob will come at the outside. So this is how I'm putting. I put the screw in first. Now put the handlebar, and after that tighten it up with the knob. You don't need any tools for this. It's just a hand tight. Once you tighten this up, now do the same thing on the other side as well. We have 2 different sides of the tire. Big tire will go at the back and the small tire will go at the front side of the mower. For the tire we need number 2 from hardware kit. Put washer first and after that tire will go, and then we will tighten it up with the nut. For the nut we need socket number 15. Now do the same thing for the rest 3 tires as well. 4-cycle lawnmower oil will go here. There's a gauge used that to measure how much it needs, and gasoline will go on the top. Do not put all in once. Check it with the gauge. How much do you need more? If you require more, then add more. Gasoline will go at the top. So remove this one and then put gas on the top. And again, do not put a lot. Whatever you need it, only put that much. Starting engine for the first time, they mention in the manual press 3 times and do until you start to feel some resistance. But I believe you need to pump it more than 3 times because I did roughly 8 times and then I start to feel the resistance. Now machine is ready. To start machine, hold stop start lever located on the handlebar. Now pull rope out. You might need to do a couple of times. Soon you release the lever, machine will turn off. If you like the video, do not forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.